Did you know your expensive espresso machine could die in just 2 years if you ignore this one crucial step? Most coffee lovers are unknowingly destroying their machines right now. Here's the truth about espresso machine longevity that manufacturers don't want you to know. The number one killer isn't wear and tear, it's mineral buildup from your water. Every shot you pull deposits tiny calcium and magnesium particles inside your machine's heating elements and pipes. Think of it like plaque in your arteries. Over time, these minerals create blockages that force your machine to work harder, running hotter, and wearing out faster. The solution? Descaling every 4 to 6 weeks, depending on your water hardness. But here's where most people mess up. They use cheap vinegar or harsh chemicals that can damage internal seals and components. Instead, invest in manufacturer-approved descaling solutions. Yes, they cost more up front, but they'll save you hundreds in repairs. Beyond descaling, your daily routine matters enormously. After each use, run a blank shot to flush residual coffee oils. These oils turn rancid and create bitter flavors while clogging internal passages. Clean your portafilter and group head weekly with specialized brushes. Water quality is your secret weapon. If your tap water is hard, consider filtered or bottled water. Soft water extends your machine's life by months, sometimes years. Check your water's mineral content with test strips. Here's the game changer most people miss. Let your machine fully heat up before brewing and cool down gradually after use. Thermal shock from rapid temperature changes cracks internal components and shortens lifespan dramatically. Replace worn gaskets and seals promptly. Small leaks become expensive repairs when ignored. Your machine will literally tell you what it needs through performance changes. Follow these steps religiously, and your espresso machine will reward you with perfect shots for decades, not years. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffeelover.